In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can apply trigonometry to right-angled triangles. Everything you need to know about right-angled trigonometry is abbreviated into Soh Cah Toa, where the S, C, and T stand for the trigonometry ratios sine, cosine, and tangent, and O, H, and A are the abbreviations of the sides of the right-angled triangle. O stands for opposite, which is opposite to the angle that we're focusing on. The angle itself is given the Greek symbol theta, and the side next to theta is called the adjacent. The H is a hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right-angled triangle, always opposite to the right angle. Now, looking at the information I've been given, we don't need the hypotenuse. And I can see that the opposite is 9. I need to work out what the adjacent is, and I know that theta is 33. Now, of the three trigonometry ratios, the only one that fits is TOA, because I have both the opposite and the adjacent as part of the information I've been given. So TOA stands for tan theta is equal to the opposite, the O, divided by the adjacent, the A. Substituting in the information I've been given, tan of 33 is equal to 9 divided by y. Rearranging this gives y is equal to 9 divided by the tan of 33. And this, to one decimal place, is 13.9 centimeters. And this would be the final answer to this question. But just to quickly look at the other abbreviations, SOH is the sine of theta is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, and CAH is the cosine of theta, which is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So the most important thing in a question like this is to label the triangle. The side opposite to the angle, which is theta, will be the opposite. The side right next to theta is the adjacent. I know that the opposite is 9, the adjacent is 10, and theta is y. Looking at the abbreviation Soh, Cah, and Toa, of the three, in Soh I have only got O, in Cah I've only got A, and in Toa I've got the opposite and the adjacent as part of my working. So it's TOA that I will use for this question, because it's the one that has the most information. So tan theta is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. Substituting in the information, tan y is equal to 9 divided by 10. With this question, I need to inverse tan. The inverse of tan is arctan. So the arc of tan of 9 over 10 to one decimal place is 42.0 degrees.